Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you might be wondering how to transfer your Polkadot tokens from Coinbase to Revolut. It's a straightforward process, but I'll walk you through it step by step to make sure you do it safely and efficiently. Why bother? Well, Revolut offers easy access to your crypto alongside your regular banking, and by 2025, with more advanced features, it's a smart move for managing your assets. First things first, before we jump in, make sure you have accounts set up on both Coinbase and Revolut. You'll need some Polkadot in your Coinbase wallet and your Revolut app updated to the latest version. Oh, and always double-check your balances and fees to avoid surprises. Crypto transactions aren't always free. Let's get started with the steps. Step 1. Log into your Coinbase account. Head over to the dashboard and find your Polkadot wallet. It's usually under the Assets tab. Once you're there, click on Send or Withdraw. That depends on the interface, but it's pretty intuitive. Step 2. Enter the recipient's details. This is crucial. Copy the Polkadot wallet address from your Revolut app. In Revolut, go to your crypto section, select Polkadot, and you'll see an option to view or share your wallet address. Paste that into Coinbase, and don't forget to double-check it to prevent any mix-ups. Set the amount you want to send, but leave a little extra for network fees, which can vary based on blockchain congestion in 2025. Step 3. Review and confirm. Coinbase will show you a summary of the transaction, including estimated fees and arrival time. If everything looks good, hit confirm. You'll probably need to verify this with two-factor authentication for security. Always a good idea in the evolving crypto landscape. Once that's done, sit back and wait. Transfers can take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on the network. Keep an eye on your Revolut app to confirm when the dot arrives. A quick word of caution. In 2025, crypto regulations might have changed, so stay updated with both platforms' policies. If you run into issues, customer support on either app is usually helpful. There you have it. That's how you send Polkadot from Coinbase to Revolut. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. What's your next crypto move? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.